welcome to my channel. Okay, here in this video today I'll be working on the issue of breaking of needle. Now if your sewing machine is breaking the needle and you know this is a video you like to watch, just go ahead and click the like button and subscribe. Now here the issue here is coming from the plate. If you look at it right now, the needle seems to be it's not in the middle. As you can see, the needle is one side, and with it like this now, it tends to hit at the corner of this plate here. This is not how your needle should be positioned. It needs to be in the middle. As you can see, there's a lot of space in this other side, so you need to set this your needle for it to be at the middle of the hole around this plate now, this round plate. So this is how you can do it. Just loose the plate, the plate knot, and then you properly position the plate. Now just make sure the needle is down so that you can position the plate for the needle to be at the middle of the hole. As you can see right now, the needle is in the hole now, it's in the middle. It's no longer one side. So that's how you adjust the plate. Now once you make sure it's in the middle, you just go ahead and lock the screw. Now you just hold the plate in that position so it won't adjust to the wrong way again. So that's how you align the plate so it can align properly with the needle. Now in case the plate is not really the issue here, like after trying to adjust the plate and the needle is still one side, this is another method on which you can still align the needle to get into the middle of the hole inside the plate. Now you get something like this. You'll be chiseling the needle rod, so you just loose out your needle. Now in case you want to bring the needle out like this, you place this rod here at the tip of the needle rod. Just place it there and you get a plier. Now you just chisel it a little, because if you hit it too hard it's going to bend too much, so you just apply a little heat on it so it will move this way. Now in case you want to bring it to this other angle, you place it here also. You place it here and you just chisel it a little bit. That's how you can align the rod. If you want to do it here too, you do it. If you want to do it from this side, you just place it at the tip of the needle rod and then you apply a little force on it with the plier. So after doing that, you just put back your needle and you check if it is aligning properly with the hole of the needle, if it is in the middle of the hole of the round plate. So make sure it's in the middle of the round plate. In case it's also hitting the carrier, that's how you can also adjust the needle rod too. So this is how you can solve this issue. Thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe.